All right, one of the most iconic cars, the 356 Speedster. This is a 1957 356A Speedster, a 1600 Super. It is a US car. You can see the overrider bumpers. It does have Euro headlights and 5 period correct 1957 stamped knockoff Rudge wheels. Extremely rare, especially to five of them, date stamped 1957. Really rare and necessary accessory to have on a very special car like this. It's a 57, so it's last year, the beehive taillights. These have been re-chromed, replated. Excellent condition. And just the details, even on the back side of the bumper, are unbelievable. Very OCD, concourse level restoration. All the panels, fitment, everything is laser straight. And, most of these cars, you see these bottom edges proud, just sticking out. This one is just perfect. Again, laser straight. And the level of OCD restoration goes inside the car as well. When I was photographing the car, I was just noticing that all the little screw heads here line up perfectly. Again, just the attention to detail. Even the plating on the bottom, just by the seat rails. Just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Incredible detailing. The seats were rewrapped in leather instead of the factory vinyl. Why not? Nice upgrade, as well as the wood wheel. Underneath the dash, you can see all the wiring is nice and neat, not a mess of wires. This is what you want to see on a concourse level restoration. The attention to detail also goes back to the motor over here. This is a matching engine and matching transmission. The original matching number engine was upgraded with a larger crank, improved rods, new camshaft, upgraded pistons and cylinders, and a complete transmission rebuild. Again, just for drivability, but it is matching numbers. The car also remains 6 volt versus 12 volt. The entire build process is documented in these books. Over here, I have a full binder with all the photos prior to the restoration. This is the original owner's manual jacket. I also have the original battery card from the factory. Tons of documentation from over the years. A lot of original pamphlets. And then the service records are just incredible. I'm trying to get, here we go. I mean, it's just unbelievable how well detailed this restoration was. I got several tools here to take off the Rudge wheels. I've got the knockoff hammer, as well as this special torque wrench tool that I've never seen before, but that's pretty handy and easy to take the knockoff wheels. It's nice to have that tool instead of slamming it with that hammer. Anyway, 1957 356 Speedster, 1600 Super. Only one of 650 cars built from 1954 to 1959 with a super motor.